So my client bought a house that had previous foundation repair work done to it. When they finished the repair work, they had to re-pour the driveway leading up to the house, which was at a higher elevation than the sidewalk. So they skim coated a layer of concrete on top of the sidewalk so that the elevation for the sidewalk and the driveway were the same. But over the course of a winter, the skim coat separated from the platform of the original poured concrete sidewalk, so they had a trip issue, and they asked me to break up that concrete and re-pour some concrete in that area that met at the same elevation of the driveway. So I broke up the concrete, dug out some soil, put my footings in there, or my forms inside there that allowed the sidewalk to terminate at the driveway, so that there would not be a trip hazard. Stored all the concrete off to the side. There you see the forms and the expansion material that allowed the concrete to expand during the cold weather change. And I put the broken concrete off to the side so it wouldn't inconvenience the homeowner. And there's the cement that I mixed up by hand with water in a wheelbarrow, and I mixed it up and poured it into the newly formed area. I used my finishing tools after I put the concrete in to finish the work, and here you see the finished product. The homeowner is very happy with the work, and thank you very much for watching.